Hello students, this is Vikas Mahajan. And I welcome all of you in our YouTube channel for the lecture of Foundation course SYBCOM Semester 3 Chapter number 7 Soft Skills for Effective Interpersonal Communication. In this lecture we are going to discuss the following point. That is importance of self-awareness and body language. Let's start the lecture. Importance of self-awareness and body language. If we have to develop ourselves, then first we should be able to understand ourselves better. Understanding oneself means having complete knowledge of one's physical, emotional and intellectual capacities. This understanding is termed as self-awareness. Meaning, self-awareness is the result of giving complete attention to oneself. When a person thoughtfully observes his mannerisms, thoughts, beliefs and tendencies, he has better realization of his personality. Self-awareness comes from this realization. It is knowledge of what is happening within us. It is comprised of the following three specific capabilities: emotional self-awareness, accurate self-assessment, self-confidence. Emotional self-awareness. One has to be completely aware of his thought process and feelings. He should be able to analyze his reactions and emotions towards specific situations. Emotional self-awareness means knowing which emotions dominate our actions. Accurate self-assessment. One has to be aware of his strengths and weaknesses. This will help him to improve his capabilities by dealing with his weaknesses. Such practice will provide him the ability to make right choices for him. Also, he will be willing to bring about necessary improvements in him to take advantage of all opportunities. Self-confidence. When one is aware of his emotions, personality and attributes, he becomes confident of himself. Self-confidence displays assertiveness, maturity, independence and enthusiasm in one's behavior. However, a balance in self-confidence is required so that it does not affect one's behavior and performance. Importance. Self-awareness is the key to success and peace. People who are aware of themselves tend to be at peace with them. This allows them to have more strengths than weaknesses. It is important to identify one's own self from within to make wise choices in personal and professional life. 1. Acceptability. Self-awareness enables a person to accept his weaknesses. He can make himself stronger by developing his strengths and overcoming his weaknesses. He can accept criticism of his faults and mistakes in a positive way because he knows that such attitude will help him perform better next time. He also understands weaknesses of others. 2. Empathy. Self-awareness helps to empathize with others. It helps to take control over emotions and understand the people in difficult situations. Thus, it can lead to understanding others' perspectives. 3. Positive attitude. Self-awareness encourages optimism. People tend to a positive attitude towards favorable changes. It motivates them to take positive actions against harmful emotions and behavior. It helps to bring out the best in oneself and improve one's self-image. Self-awareness encourages people to look towards challenges with confidence. 4. Decision-making. Self-awareness guides in the process of decision-making. It stimulates intuition. In complex situations, intuition helps to make proper decisions. It helps to analyze and process uncertain problems. A person with proper understanding of oneself will choose a right career according to his choices and capabilities. He will invest time and efforts into developing his skills which he lacks to achieve his goals. 5. Virtues. A developed sense of self-awareness makes a person have positive feelings and also develops good qualities in him. It makes him understanding towards the weaknesses of others. He develops humility and respect. Such people value relationships and make efforts towards maintaining them. Importance of body language. Body language is an inseparable part of communication. Knowingly or unknowingly, it conveys a lot about a person's thoughts, state of mind and sometimes also intentions. In several situations, body language alone is enough to communicate. A combination of good speech and proper body language is a key to effective communication. Every type of body gestures like eye contact, movement of hands, and movement of head and facial expressions creates an impact on the communication taking place. The importance of body language in communication can be explained in the following ways. 1. Creates impression. A positive body language creates a positive impression of the person. This is important for people going for interviews. 2. Prevents misunderstanding. A person may not be comfortable in expressing his true emotions through words. Paying attention at facial expressions and body gestures can help in identifying clues of real feelings and intentions of the person. This can prevent misunderstandings and make the speaker comfortable. 3. Displays confidence. Confidence can be shown through body language. Making right amount of hand movements, maintaining eye contact, nodding head signifies giving attention, are all signs of a confident listener as well as a speaker. A person who shows such signs in group discussions and interviews gains extra points for his self-confidence. On the other hand, lack of confidence is also evident by signs such as shaky leg or irregular eye contact. 4. Aids persuasion. Emphatic words and an assertive voice are important tools of persuasion. If these are combined with confident body language, then the listener gets impressed and persuaded to listen to the entire talk. People can get convinced by nonverbal communication. 5. Facilitates communication. Body language gives more meaning to verbal communication. By observing one's facial expressions and body gestures, one can know if that person is following the communication and understanding it. In this way, today we have discussed the following point in this lecture. We shall have a recap of the point. That is, importance of self-awareness and body language. I hope you might have understood all the points clearly. We will meet again in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye. And thank you all.